Okay, it's me and the stick again, and I'm going to take you for a little tour. See how the chicks are doing. I don't know if you can see me or not. Anyway, here they are, freaking out. Chick cam. Here they come. Okay, that's not the chick cam. So let's take you out here and see what I have been up to here last couple days anyway. So this is the greens spinner. It's a salad spinner is what it is. And just actually a washing machine, but I made it into a salad spinner. So you, this is just a tub right there. And I got on the bottom of it, there is actually that's a PVC drain, and I bolted that on so that it can center up in the tub real good. And got stainless steel bolts in there so they won't rust. Anyway, so we use a spin cycle, we dump our greens in there. The tub itself, this deal, the Brute tub, is brand new. I just drilled holes in it to make a colander out of it. Anyway, we hit spin mode and spins it up and dries our greens out. For the most part, we dump them out and then we put them in on a table with a fan. And there is our, by the way, our old-fashioned spinner. Well, it still works good, and I think we'll still probably use that. But anyway, so let's go in here. Garden room. There's some potatoes there I got the other day. We'll take you on a quick sweep of the vegetables, and there's some nice salanova, I think that's what that is, lettuce, and kohlrabi, and this was an attempt at some spinach that didn't work out so good. Anyway, there's tomatoes right there, and onions, bunching onions. Even they're looking a little dry. I need to get them watered up this evening. Boy, those tomatoes are looking really, really good right there. So cabbage and cauliflower and all kinds of good stuff. Anyway, I gotta get back in here and water up tonight. So that's the garden room, and the other thing that we're doing out here is fixing up a garden shed. It's a multi-purpose, a triple purpose. So here's the garden shed, and out to the side, this area right here is going to be our post-harvest prep area. So it's just coming together. There's going to be an overhang, an awning that comes across the top here, and so we'll be covered, and that's where our salad spinner is going to go in there. And anyway, this is where we'll bring the stuff initially out of the garden and prep it, and then we'll bring it into the shed right here. And I've been working in here a little bit lately, so let's bring some lights on. So insulating, of course, as you can see, and then back third of the building here is the cool room, or the cold room. So I've been insulating. We've got some 2.5-inch foam board that I've been putting up on the ceiling, on the floor, and then on the walls. And then in that slot right back here is going to be the window air conditioner, 15,000 BTU air conditioner to go in there, and we'll keep it about 37 to 40 degrees in that, believe it or not. So anyway, just been building all this. We put the building in here in October last year, and I'm just now getting to the point where we're starting to build it up. So anyway, and then the front area out here is going to be just display. When we bring our tomatoes and whatever else in here, we can have it displayed in here for folks who want to come out and take a look and purchase some items that way. So, and then put by the way, there's a nice little porch light right there. So first nice day in a week. course. I had vacation all week. So anyway, getting some things done out here, and it's just now, boy, I could use this weather all week long. If it had been this like this, I'd gotten a lot more done. Anyway, got garden beds, hoop house, and tons of stuff to do. So that's an update. We'll talk to you later. Chad with Flyaway Farm USA. Godspeed, God bless. Talk to you later.